My name's Brother Hassan, and I've lived in this area for more than 50 years now. And I came here in 1971, and Alhamdulillah, in 1983, I was given the opportunity by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to take Islam as my faith. And I made my shahada in a big Daraloom, which is a big religious education place down in Lancashire. I've lived, as I say, here locally for quite some time. And in Lancaster, they always used to laugh at me and say, Hassan, when are you moving to Lancaster? And I said, well, I actually like living in Kendal. And inshallah, Allah will make it that Muslims come to Kendal. Well, as I said in the other video, in 2006, alhamdulillah, there were enough of us to get established in having a place to pray. Initially, it was on Fridays, and we started off with maybe about 8 people. It soon became 16, and then it was more than 30, and there was insufficient room because it was only a bedroom above the Eastern Balti restaurant. So from there, we moved to the Unitarian Chapel Schoolroom, which was wonderful in the sense that we could accommodate more than 70 people. And that's the case when we get visitors coming here during the summer holidays. We get visitors from all over the world. And alhamdulillah, our community here is very diverse. We have people from different nationalities. And alhamdulillah, I like it that way, and that's the way I want it to stay. Unfortunately, the Unitarian Chapel Schoolroom had a problem with the roof, and we had to come out rather quickly and find other accommodation. As a result of that, we are now praying Jummah in the Castle Street Community Centre, but there are restrictions on that. We don't have the time that we would like to be able to come and do things. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He makes things easier for you if you make the effort, but you have to take the first step. And alhamdulillah, one of our brothers saw this property on the market and said, what do you think? And we said, well, it has potential, inshallah, let's try. Because if we don't make any effort, we won't get anything. So after all these years, inshallah, now is the time. We have collected some money by ourselves, but we need help from other people now because we have to find quite a lot of money. For the purchase of the building, and then we have to apply for planning permission for a change of use and things like that. But inshallah, we will be successful because we are doing it for the sake of Allah and for the benefit of our children, because we are a growing community here, and it's very important that we maintain an Islamic education for them in a world which we see is becoming less and less connected with true faith. So for that reason, we are anxious to make provision for the future, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.